नरेंद्र मोदी अमेरिकी सांसद को संबोधित कर रहे थे। संबोधन के दौरान तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट बार बार सुनाई दे रही थी। नरेंद्र मोदी के भाषण में तथ्य थे तो मजाक भी, सबक था तो सहजता भी, उद्देश्य था तो विजन भी। नरेंद्र मोदी पूरी तैयारी के साथ यूएस कांग्रेस में आए थे। मोदी ने अपने संबोधन में भारत और अमेरिका की समानता को लेकर मार्टिन लूथर से लेकर गांधी, स्वामी विवेकानंद और अंबेडकर तक को याद किया।
Engagement between our two democracies has been visible in the manner in which our thinkers impacted one another and shaped the course of our societies. Thoreau's idea of civil disobedience influenced our political thoughts. And similarly, the call by the great sage of India, Swami Vivekananda, to embrace humanity was most famously delivered in Chicago. Gandhi's non-violence inspired the heroism of Martin Luther King. Today, a mere distance of 3 miles separates the Martin Luther King Memorial at Tidal Basin from the statue of Gandhi at Massachusetts Avenue. This proximity of their memorials in Washington mirrors the closeness of ideals and value they believe in. The genius of Dr. Bhimrao Babasaheb Ambedkar was nurtured in the years he spent at the Columbia University a century ago. The impact of US Constitution on him was reflected in his drafting of the Indian Constitution some 3 decades later. Our independence was ignited by the same idealism that fueled your struggle for freedom. No wonder then that former Prime Minister of India.
इतना ही नहीं, नरेंद्र मोदी ने यूएस कांग्रेस में अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी की कही बातों को भी याद किया और उनकी बातों को दोहराया भी।
Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee called India and the US natural allies. No wonder that the shared ideals and common philosophy of freedom shape the bedrock of our ties. No wonder then that President Obama has called our ties the defining partnership of the 21st century. Mr. Speaker, more than 15 years ago, Prime Minister Vajpayee stood here and gave a call to step out of the shadow of agitation of the past. The pages of our friendship since then tell a remarkable story. Today, our relationship has overcome the hesitations of history. Comfort, candor, and convergence define our conversations. Through the cycle of elections and transitions of administration, the intensity of our engagements has only grown. And in this exciting journey, the US Congress has acted as its compass. You have helped us turn barriers into bridges of partnership. In the fall of 2008,
नरेंद्र मोदी ने अमेरिका को भारत का सबसे बड़ा पार्टनर बताया, जो 21वीं सदी की सबसे बड़ी साझेदारी होगी, जिसमें सुरक्षा से लेकर बिजनेस तक में भागीदारी बढ़ाने की बात की।
Mr. Speaker, in every sector of India's forward march, I see the US as an indispensable partner. Many of you also believe that a stronger and prosperous India is in America's strategic interest. Let us work together to convert shared ideals into practical cooperation. There can be no doubt that in advancing this relationship, both nations stand to gain. As the US businesses search for new areas of economic growth, markets for their goods, a pool of skilled resources, and a global locations to produce and manufacture, India could be their ideal partner. India's strong economy and growth rate of 7.6% annum is creating a new opportunities for our mutual prosperity. Transformative American technologies in India and growing investment by Indian companies in the United States both have a positive impact on the lives of our citizens. Today, for the global research and development centers, India is the destination of choice for the US companies. Looking eastward from India across the Pacific, the innovation strength of our two countries comes together in California. Here, the innovative genius of America and India's intellectual creativity are working to shape new industries of the future. Mr. Speaker, the 21st century has brought with it great opportunities, but it has also come with its own set of challenges. While some parts of the world are islands of growing economic prosperity, others are mired in conflicts. In Asia, the absence of an agreed security architecture creates uncertainty. Threats of terror are expanding and new challenges are emerging in cyber and outer space. And global institutions conceived in 20th century seem unable to cope with new challenges or take on new responsibilities. In this world of multiple transitions and economic opportunities, growing uncertainties and political complexities, existing threats and new challenges, our engagement can make a difference by promoting cooperation, not dominance, connectivity, not isolation, inclusive, not exclusive mechanisms, respect for global commons, and above all, for international rules and norms. India is already assuming her responsibilities in securing the Indian Ocean region. A strong India-US partnership can anchor peace, prosperity, and stability from Asia to Africa and from Indian Ocean to the Pacific.
नरेंद्र मोदी के 46 मिनट के भाषण में मुद्दों की अहमियत तो थी ही, इतिहास के पुरोधा भी थे, तो भविष्य की नींव रखने की कोशिश भी की जा रही थी। NMF न्यूज की रिपोर्ट।